McDonald's sued as hot coffee leaves women with severe burns. 30 years after similar 1994 lawsuit, California resident recovering from burns allegedly caused by spilled McDonald's coffee. An elderly woman in California is suing McDonald's over hot coffee spill that's reminiscent of the 1992 incident that made national headlines. Mabel Childress, a woman in her 80s, is being represented by Dylan Hackett, a personal injury lawyer and managing partner at Hackett Law Firm, according to documents filed with San Francisco Superior Court. Hackett submitted 5 filings on September 14, and a summons was issued to McDonald's Restaurant of California Inc. and 10 unnamed workers on September 15, according to court records. The complaint that Hackett filed with the court alleges that employees at McDonald's restaurants located at 11,000 Fillmore in San Francisco failed to tightly secure the lid on the coffee cup. My restaurant has strict food safety protocols in place, including training crew to ensure lids on hot beverages are secure. The franchise, who owns and operates the McDonald's on Fillmore Street, wrote in an email to Fox Business. We take every customer complaint seriously, and when Miss Childress reported her experience to us later that day, our employees and management team spoke to her within a few minutes and offered assistance. We are reviewing this new legal claim in detail. The coffee spill reportedly happened on or about June 13, while Childress stopped by the Fillmore Street McDonald's drive-thru, according to the complaint filed by Hackett. Childress tried to drink her coffee, but the cup's hot contents allegedly spilled in her lap through the unsecured lid, causing severe burns on her groin, according to the complaint. The legal complaint states Childress tried to report the incident and spoke with 3 employees at McDonald's, but the staff allegedly refused to help her, so she left to treat her wounds elsewhere. Defendant McDonald's Restaurant of California and thus 10 to 10 owed a duty to the plaintiff and breached the duty of care by improperly securing the coffee cup lid, which caused her to suffer from severe burns and emotional distress, the complaint states. Defendant's negligence was a substantial factor in causing plaintiff's injuries. Childress is still experiencing pain and has suffered scarring from her burns, according to the complaint. Hackett told that Childress has burns on her stomach, groin, and leg, which are still receiving treatment. He supplied photos of his client's injuries. The lawsuit Mabel filed is important, as it is her hope that coffee served in the future will be served at a proper temperature, the lids be placed properly and securely, and that when future customers have complaints, they will be attended to promptly, Hackett wrote in an email. The lawsuit has been filed as an unlimited civil case, meaning it exceeds $25,000 and is seeking monetary remedies for hospital and medical expenses and general damage. The summons issued to McDonald's Restaurant of California, thus 10 to 11, is giving the defendants 30 calendar days to respond to the court. It's not just hot beverages that have brought McDonald's USA legal trouble. In July, a South Florida jury awarded $800,000 in damage to the family of Olivia Caballero for the second-degree burns she suffered when a hot half-meal chicken McNugget fell in her lap and became lodged between the seatbelt and her thick. Caballero was 4 years old when the accident happened in 2019, which transpired in a McDonald's drive-thru and parking lot in Tamaraki, a city near Fort Lauderdale. Philana Holmes, Caballero's mother, testified that her daughter has a scar from the nugget. I'm actually just happy that they listened to Olivia's voice, and the jury was able to decide a fair judgment, said Holmes in a statement she made on behalf of her daughter. I'm happy with that. I honestly had no expectation, so this is more than fair for me.